Okay, what else do I have to say? Forgot.
Tell us to be quiet and you forget your line.
What's mine? I forgot mine.
Do the music video. No. Okay, let's do this.
Whoa.
Are we gonna do this? Kelsey, stop being so sexual! God!
You're not really sexual when Kelsey's gone.
Okay. That's a joke. We're not actually sexual towards each other. Let's do that again. Kelsey, stop doing...
No, I'm pretending to do it behind your back.
No, don't do it.
We're saying everything wrong.
We're saying that we're not actually sexual because I don't want to appear like a lesbian. Even though I'm not the lesbian. You two
Exactly.
That's why I'm saying that is a joke.
So you've got something against me being a lesbian?
Yes, Kelsey, we have everything against that.
Okay, can we do that now?
Kelsey, stop!
Hurry up, guys.
Okay.
Tell her to do it properly.
That's a joke. We're not actually sexual towards each other.
Cue the music video!
Kelsey, why'd you have to poke your tongue out? That's a joke. We're not actually sexual towards each other in real life.
Cue the music video!
But I went oh, we went to say it at the same time. You didn't bother doing it.
You didn't kick me!
You're right there.
Fine, let's do it again. Go. No.
I want to do something sexual.
No, we've already done being sexual. That's a joke. We're not sexual to each... We're not... Oh, let's do that again. That's the joke. We're not actually sexual towards each other.
Cue the music video!
Yeah, I think internet. Internet video.
That's a joke. We're not actually sexual towards each other. See, don't kick.
That's
Oh,
cute.
God. Shut up. Oh my God, just be high.
The pain is gone. I'm putting on my face to cover up my eyes. I'm fucking in my ride. I'm heading out tonight. I'm solo. I'm not solo.
Oh my God, that was so slow. It's already getting right solo.
I'm feeling like a star.
Go. That was my Jesus there. What is she doing?
Is that a real Pandora bracelet?
No.
Oh.
Now you should do your face.